Okay, got that. That's about PFC. Let's talk about the aviation sector because India has seen an air traffic growth of 8% in the last 2 months. Vinny is here with the details on the growth and the market share.
Hi, Rima. So, yes, in terms of the air traffic growth that we are seeing coming in during this time, that is the month of April 2025, air traffic growth in the last 2 months has been at 8%. And this time also we've seen that growth of 8.45% in April 2025. Domestic air traffic overall is coming at around 143 lakh passengers. This is on a month-on-month basis, that 8.45% that we're talking about. Indigo's market share 64.1% versus 64% in March. In Jan 2025, it was a much higher number in terms of the when you look at it in terms of the market share for Interglobe Aviation was at around 65%. So yes, right now we're seeing a recovery coming back on the month-on-month basis. Other than that, Air India, that has also gained market share by around 50 basis points in April 2025, coming in at 27.2%. Akasa remains constant at 5%, SpiceJet 2.6% as well. So yes, this is the data that we have coming in terms of air traffic, but do not forget that today we do have Interglobe Aviation's numbers as well. Good quarters, what we're expecting coming in Q4 FY25, revenue growth of 22%, EBITDA margin somewhere at 21%, and EBITDA margin at around 25% is what we're expecting. Profits at around 1,900 crores, and yields expected to be largely flattish. 5.3 is what we're expecting the yield at. Mahakumbh is going to be a key driver for Interglobe Aviation. Crude prices have been much lower, so that will be supporting the margins of the company going forward. Commentary on that front from the company. Commentary in terms of their engines, which they are more dependent on Pratt & Whitney. What is the current scenario there, as well as outlook in terms of international market, and what is the current global scenario in terms of air traffic trends that we're seeing is going to be key to watch out for.
Thank you very much for that. Nigel, we'll have another play.